step 5 for you. I do that 3, 4 times, 6, 9, 10.
Before I step out for the day, I'm going to be doing my skincare. I already washed my face. For my toner, I'm using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Toner. This is a milky hydrating toner, but it is super cleansing and doesn't leave any sort of residue on your face. And then to hydrate, I'm using the Inculus Hyaluronic Acid. I use a vitamin C every morning. I'm using the Paula's Choice Clinical Serum, 25% vitamin C. I'm using this weightless moisturizer with SPF 50. On my lips, I'm using the Laneige lip mask, the vanilla one, and this Mario Badescu lip balm. They leave your lips so soft. I'm doing a really light makeup look because we're in a heat wave, which I'll be talking about later in this video, so I really don't want anything heavy on my skin. The Say Liquid Blush. I love when my makeup is infused with helpful ingredients. This mascara has biotin, peptides, and collagen.
Bitch, they think one-on-one never again. Don't get the kick in the butter. I kinda like hustle the money all in. I'm in the town in the drop top coupe in the boat in the truck you can hit. Know all about how they want me to loop, but I'm baby do for a win. Looking at this bitch in the ocean, tapping the show money, pull up a leg. Talk from a dummy and see how I'm coming. I don't know it. Feeling too young and I didn't keep out the money all in my bed. 2018 for me and I bet it could win it. Probably be dead. I'm getting cold, my body cold. I took a little egg shit. The one time till I pull up again, making a little pussy straight.
On my toes, I did Funny Bunny and White Chrome on top. That's my go-to for toes. I did a regular French manicure and chrome on top as well. It's 30 plus degrees outside today. We're in a heat wave. I came home after getting my nails done. They came out really cute, by the way. I got Funny Bunny and White Chrome on top, and then on my hands I did French manicure and chrome on top, and they're really cute. So before I head out, I'm applying a sunscreen. I'm gonna be using this Hawaiian Tropic one. It has a glow as well, but not as much of a glow as this one. I'm gonna use both. TNA butter. I think these are the 5-inch shorts. I'm gonna wear this today while I'm out, but no matter what I wear, it's gonna be hot. I just wanted to change into something more comfortable before I step out for the day. I just realized my whole outfit is TNA, but I'm wearing this TNA Super Puff because I just don't want anything. I don't want to be holding anything or carrying anything. I have a list on my phone of everything I need to pick up and all the stores we're gonna hit. This is my favorite Sol de Janeiro spray in the summer. It's so fresh. The best combination, so good together. I picked this up during the Sephora sale. Love that for me. Love a good isolated thunderstorm and a high of 30 degrees. I just got out of the house into the car and I'm already sweating. It is humid. Like just standing outside, just standing still, I'm breaking a sweat. What are construction workers and people that like work outside, or electricians, what are they doing? Like they must be sweating. I don't know like how you could work in this heat, but I like the heat and I want to live like in Miami for a little bit one day. So I feel like if I can tolerate this, then I could tolerate Miami.
This bitch, all these corners on me, baby, you know. Hey, game time. Friend, bitches, fuck them at the same time.
I lost my old one and they don't sell the refills for the one I have. I have to order it online and I'm just too lazy to do that right now. Got what we needed from Sephora. Just got these disposable facial razors, so I'm going to the hair store now to pick up the leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner that I've tried to date.
I testify for you. I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You're scared to do it.
There's definitely a lot of stuff I want to come back for to try. Like there's this Dove body scrub which I love, but I've never seen this one before with retinol serum in it. Amethyst and lavender body scrub and wash by OGX. I love their products. Never seen this before. They have native. I've been seeing these everywhere. Definitely want to try these. These are on sale. They have really cute razors. I ran out of all my body scrubs. I think I was saying that in the car. Dove body scrub. This is the brown sugar and coconut butter one, but they had so many different kinds. This is the one I used in the past and it was so amazing. Like I literally finished it, so I'm really excited. Stay tuned for my shower routine right after this video because like you will not believe how good this is in the shower. I ran out of my razors and I really have just been wanting to try men's razors. So I found these ones. It comes with 1 razor and 2 cartridges. So I'm gonna try it today in the shower routine and see like what it's giving. I wanted to try a new deodorant because I'm out of mine, so I got the Dove Advanced Care Caring Coconut scent, but I've been using the glycolic acid under my arms by The Ordinary, so yeah, I don't know.